Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. So today I'm making a set of 4 coasters. I'm using them everything new. I'm using these coasters for the first time, the molds that is, for the first time, and I'm going to be using 2 items that I got from Resin off of Amazon. Their interference mica powder violet and their mixology glitter opal, gold opal. So I'm just going to be brushing this on. It's the first time using interference mica powder, so I'm just gonna go ahead and see how this turns out. So I'm just brushing it on all the molds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the interference, not the interference, but the mixology glitter to some resin, and I'm gonna put it down in the cavities around the mold. And then once it dries, I'm gonna go ahead and, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm going to add then some black resin mixed with some black mica powders. And then once that dries, I'm going to demold and then I'm going to finish the rest of it because there's another step where I'm going to be adding some really cute holographic stickers. All right, so now it's time to demold them and see what they look like. I really like these coasters because they have like a really deep center, which allows you to be able to be even more creative with these coasters once they are cured. So there it is. That's the interference glitter violet. I really love how that looks. That color is really nice. And it gives like a dark violet to a light violet depending on how you tilt it in the lights or how the light is catching it. But I'm going to add some holographic stickers to this to add to the beauty. And I love the glitter around the edges. It's so cute. I really like that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put these stickers down, these holographic stickers I got from Amazon. It was a pack. I don't remember how many's in the pack, but they had a lot of different type of fantasy type, almost reminds me of steampunk, these different types of clocks and sundials and things like that, which I think would look perfect with this background. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick them on, and then I'm gonna add the other coat of resin. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and let you see how this looks outside in the sun once it's dried, and here it is. I love how this turned out. Everything to me is just beautiful. The holographic stickers, the interference mica powder, the mixology glitter. Everything just looks so good together. Everything turned out pretty nice except for the one with the key in the book. That sticker, for some reason, lifted underneath the resin and I got a bubble. I hate it when that happens because that one was one of my favorites too. But the rest of them turned out pretty good. I'm really happy with the results. Let me know what you think about how this turned out in the comments below. And as I said, everything will be linked in the description for you. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.